Hello, so I've picked this land to make my beach. I'm just going to go down. So that noise is just me walking. For some reason it makes that noise. So I have to get some sandstone, and I'll get water buckets. So I got my water bucket. I might do a few fishes. Or if I can even find one. Well, I found a squid, so that should be good. So I got my stuff. Now I'm going to start off with cutting. So now that I'm going to have to cut a lot if I want it to be more beach-like. So I'll probably stop it like here. So that noise is actually just me putting these here. Okay. So I'm going to start digging. So I don't want to make it too big because this is only for starters. Now what you want to do is fill it up with sand. Oh, there's someone. That's an iron golem right there. He's here to protect us. So there we go, that's our sand place. Oh, I forgot my water bucket. Oh. So I've got my water bucket, and I'm going to make a small area to put my water so that it's more beach-like. So I'm going to make it 2 blocks deep. Oh, come on. Or that should be fine. So now that I've cleared out some of my space, I'm going to start doing this. So there's my water area, and I'm going to spawn us. Oh, what? Serious now? Oh, so here's spawn a squid. So my beach is going to have some squids, which should be fine. Now we can't do that. Then now we have to find any block that we want. It can be absolutely anything. And then I'm going to do some trapdoors. Iron trapdoor. And I might as well get a bed. So what I'm doing now is I am going to make this something. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. You use it at beaches. It's like an umbrella. I'm pretty sure it is an umbrella actually. Okay, so probably I can't use those. Now I'm just looking for... Oh, perfect. So I can't use trapdoors because they're a bit hard to use. So I'm going to have a white umbrella. Don't want getting sunburned. Okay. Now I'm going to put beds here to relax. So there's one. And you can do as much as you want. I'm just going to do 2 right now. Gosh, this thing is loud. Okay. So now I've got my ocean, my sandy part, and my umbrellas. So I might spawn some people here. So where is it? Spawn bat. So I'm just looking for a villager. Nope. Spawn villager. And I'm going to put a few here. And probably one in the water to do some swimming. So I've got a few villagers. Oh, one of them just ran away. Well, I'm going to add some gems in here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to do this. Then over here. There. And I can probably do some here. Just for decoration. So now that I've added the gems and the water, the sand part, and the umbrellas, I'm going to get some other stuff I'm going to find some other stuff that I can use for my thing. So I'm going to get a oak boat and probably if I can find any sponge. Oh, right it out. Then I'm going to do a chest. So the chest will be right next to the ocean. And what happened to my rowboat? I'll add a rowboat, some healing potions, just in case someone gets hurt. Food, chests, probably not that. Probably some of this. And some sponges in case anything happens. Then we can do probably not actually, a bed. Okay, so now that we have everything there, we can just do that. Oh, it's getting quite dark, so I'll quickly have to go to sleep. Oh. Now that it's day, oh, what happened? So it's day now, so I'm just going to put that there. Okay, am I breaking stuff? Oh no. So, it's daytime, and I'm going to add some sponges like that. And sponge. No. Okay. So that is our beach. If you find anything else you want to put in it, go ahead and put them. You can find sea lanterns and put them in. Probably like some guardians, like what are they called? Iron golem. We can add some iron golems to protect our place. Who would like zombies and witches coming to attack? So I'll probably do only 2 iron golems. So iron golems are like protectors. If we don't know what they are, they like protect us. See, if I spawn a witch, we'll kill it. Thank you, iron golem. And so that's what they do. I'll probably add some food in case. Okay, so I'll get some beetroot, pumpkin pie, cooked rabbit, and why not some watermelon, and an apple. So open up my chest and put the food in. So I'm adding some beetroot, 64 beetroot, some apples. I usually add food in case any people on survival come or people get hungry. They have some food to eat. So I'm just going to add all the food that I got for the people. Now that I've added all the food, I'm going to get out and check what else I can do. You can absolutely add anything you want to your beach. I'm looking for stuff that I could add. So feel free to put anything you like for it. Probably some hay, if any wandering people come, like with horses and stuff. Hay. Wandering traders. If wandering traders come, I mean, they allow us to do something. Well, there we go. And that is your beach. Bye! If you liked this video, please like and subscribe.